Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today I'll be showing you how I made this simple top from an old sweater. Let's get right into the video. This is the outcome of it, and this is your sign to upcycle that old sweater and make a basic top out of it. Thanks for watching. Please do well to give me a thumbs up, comment, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.